Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best braided fuel line 6 and is probably one of the most critical components for any performance vehicle, ensuring reliable fuel delivery while withstanding high pressure and extreme temperatures. In this video, we will deep dive into the world of braided fuel lines, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before buying one, helping you choose the perfect fuel line for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. 386 and Nylon Fuel Line. This high-performance fuel line is perfect for various applications, from cars to boats. It's built to withstand extreme conditions and deliver reliable performance. It features a nylon braided exterior with stainless steel for strength and flexibility. The CPE synthetic rubber adds to its resilience and gives it a great look. This fuel line is compatible with a wide range of vehicles and engines. It's ideal for racing cars and motorcycles, as well as other applications. With a working temperature range from -100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and a pressure tolerance of 350 psi, it can handle even the most demanding situations. It also offers excellent flame retardancy and corrosion resistance. The kit includes a 20-foot fuel line and 10 swivel fittings in various angles to suit your needs. Professional installation is recommended. We stand behind our product. If there are any leaks, we offer a free exchange or return. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts an impressive 20-foot length and comes with 10 different swivel fittings, providing great flexibility for various applications. If you need a long fuel line with multiple fitting options for a custom setup, this is the one for you. This comprehensive kit ensures you have everything you need for a complete installation. What people say. Has been lasting for 2 years at 60 psi LS swap. Easy to work with, look nice when installed, and feels solid when working with them. I used this on my K20 LS conversion project. A couple other vehicle-specific fittings were required for the swap, but this kit provided me with all the different fittings and line I needed to complete the rest. It was a very easy install after a couple YouTube tutorials on cutting and setting the fittings. No leaks and it runs great. Number 4. EVO Energy 6 and Fuel Line Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for various applications, from fuel lines to coolant systems. It's built to withstand high pressure and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, reinforced with 304 steel wire and a tough nylon braid. The fittings are crafted from strong aluminum alloy for lasting durability. This kit can handle a maximum working pressure of 750 psi and a bursting pressure of 2250 psi. It's designed to perform under demanding conditions. It's engineered to withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of environments and applications. Use it for transmission oil coolers, fuel return lines, fuel supply lines, coolant fluid hoses, fuel gauges, vacuum lines, turbo coolers, or oil feed lines. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. The kit includes 10 6 and swivel hose ends in various angles, 2 hose separator clamps, and 20 feet of braided fuel line. Everything you need for a complete installation is right here. It's compatible with a variety of fluids, including transmission fluid, oil, race gas, vacuum, hydraulic fluid, diesel, and fuel. It's a truly versatile solution. The hose has an inner diameter of 0.31 inches and an outer diameter of 0.56 inches. This precise sizing ensures a secure and leak-free fit. What we like. This kit can withstand high pressure up to 750 psi, making it perfect for demanding applications. The CPE inner layer and aluminum fittings ensure durability and reliability. If you prioritize high-pressure resistance and robust construction, this kit is your best choice. What people say. The included fittings of nice quality. The kit has a complete variety of fittings and is an excellent value. Installation of the fittings went smoothly only after realizing they had reverse threading. Then it went on super easily and holds really well. Then hose is of good quality and definitely recommended. I always buy the PTFE, as they seem more robust, and will work with most all types of fluids. Number 3. EVO Energy 6 and Fuel Line. This high-performance fuel line is built to last. It's perfect for demanding applications and can handle extreme pressure. It can withstand high pressure, ensuring reliable performance even under stress. Its burst pressure is an impressive 2,250 psi. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, 304 stainless steel wire braid, and a tough nylon outer braid for superior strength and flexibility. It's compatible with a wide range of fluids, including fuel, oil, transmission fluid, and more. It's versatile enough for many applications. Use it for fuel supply and return lines, transmission coolers, and more. It's a great solution for various automotive and industrial needs. At 20 feet long, it's easy to install and comes with instructions. Remember to use it with 6 and swivel hose ends only. With an inner diameter of 0.31 inches and an outer diameter of 0.56 inches, it's the perfect size for many applications. It has a wide temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. With a maximum working pressure of 750 psi, it's built to handle high-pressure systems. The durable construction, featuring a CPE rubber inner layer and aluminum fittings, ensures a long-lasting performance. If you need a reliable fuel line for high-pressure applications, this is a great option. What people say. Exactly what I needed in the restoration of my current antique car project. Easy to cut and assemble the fittings. The outer plastic coating was gone, but the stainless steel layer held up and prevented a gasoline fire from happening. It's a woven nylon material with metal braided in for strength over a rubber hose that is very well put together. On a final note, it was easy to put it all together, and for cutting I just used a pair of PX cutters and it worked perfect. Number 2. EVIL Energy 6 and Fuel Line Kit. This kit is perfect for your EFI LS system and other high-performance applications. It's built to withstand extreme heat and pressure. It features durable PTFE and nylon braided construction, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. It's designed to handle the demands of high-performance engines. Use it for fuel injection, LS engine swaps, turbo oil feed, and more. It's a truly adaptable solution for various automotive needs. This fuel line kit can handle temperatures from -76 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 1,500 psi. It's built to last under extreme conditions. It's compatible with all automotive fuels, lubricants, and coolants. However, remember it's relatively hard and professional installation is recommended. The inner diameter is 5/16 inch, 0.31 inch, and the outer diameter is 0.45 inch. Please measure your needs before purchasing. What we like. This fuel line kit offers superior pressure resistance with a maximum of 1,500 psi and an extended 25-foot length. The PTFE material is ideal for high temperature and extreme conditions. If you're working with high pressure, high temperature systems, this is the ultimate choice for reliability and durability. What people say. This PTFE line type of hose is a little less flexible and easier to kink than rubber-based 6 and types, but you gain true alcohol resistance for that trade. When I made my first cut on the line, I can see the quality of the construction as well as the quality PTFE inner liner. Comes with plenty of hoses and fittings for running fuel lines. Number 1. EVIL Energy 6 and Fuel Line Kit. This kit is perfect for handling high-performance fuel systems. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, ensuring reliable fuel delivery. It operates flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -60 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius and can handle pressures up to 1,500 psi. This makes it ideal for demanding applications. With a 5/16 inch inner diameter and a total length of 20 feet, it's versatile enough for various fuel system configurations. Remember to measure your needs before purchasing. The PTFE and nylon braided construction provides exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear. It's designed to last. It's compatible with all automotive fuels, lubricants, and coolants, making it a truly universal solution for your fuel system needs. Due to its rigid nature, professional installation is recommended to ensure a secure and leak-free connection. Don't attempt installation without proper experience. What we like. It's designed to withstand extreme pressure up to 1,500 psi, and its 20-foot length provides ample reach for various installations. The PTFE material ensures superior heat and pressure resistance. If you need a high-performance fuel line for demanding applications, this one is a perfect fit. What people say. The fittings are all tight around the swivel. Some people have poor tolerances and leaks here, and the assembly process feels comparable to that of name brand hoses and fittings. Install was easy, and so far no leaks. It survived the Chicago winter and hopefully many more. The connectors were relatively easy to install. The included instructions we detailed and had nice pictures. The adapters appear to be good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.